Hello, welcome to Riva's Radical Rides, YouTube's finest gasoline.
Hey guys, here on my dad's 5500 GM. See, if my dad had some white hair and a white beard, he'd look like Santa Claus. Alright, so we're here, and it seems that on these trucks they have issues with their hubs.
Fucking engineers.
Fucking engineers. There you go, say it. Say it!
Fucking engineers.
There you go. See, what happens is, little bolts that are in here, they snap off, and last year we lost the hub on the other side. It's $550 for a hub with the replacement bolts, and that was a deal. They were what, $700 I think, regular price.
A little bit more, about $600.
So anyway, this time around, when this side snapped, luckily we didn't lose the hub. My dad happened to notice that it was missing.
This is $500. But the problem is not this, because I already bought one for the other side. The problem is this here. These are the screws that GM's got put in here. And these screws are $21 a piece. There's 6 of them.
$21 a piece from the GM dealer.
Then you have a gasket and also
A rubber
a
O-ring.
rubber seal that goes in there, which works fine. This one here, as you can see, is the metal is pitted right through. And this is a new truck. There's 19,000 kilometers on it. So there's no reason to have this kind of stuff. And as you know, when you go to the dealer, well, it's not on warranty, and they don't call this
A warrantable part.
a warrantable part.
Yeah.
So I ain't paying $200. I'm gonna spend, I think it's $12 in all to fix my stuff here. And I got nothing to lose here. So anyways, this is what's gonna happen. So it's gonna go, and we're gonna try that, and that'll be it, and see what happens.
So what we've done so far is when they broke, I welded a little washer and a nut to pull them out. But what we're doing is we're upgrading to a bigger size bolt, 1/4 inch versus what
To
was it?
fit this, because
Yeah.
this is what they call a shoulder screw.
Yeah,
And all it does is it goes inside as well.
just to
So-
hold it,
So we're drilling the width of this
which
shoulder.
is a 1/4 inch.
That's correct.
And then after we're done, my dad's got a strap. Where's your strap?
The strap's over here.
There.
We're gonna fabricate this, a one piece of strap, and we're gonna bolt that across here.
So in case that these bolts snap again,
Then you won't lose your hub, which is $500.
exactly, so you could just go back and put another set of $12
So
bolts.
for $1, I'm gonna fix myself up. Maybe I should patent this, huh?
Maybe.
And then I could retire.
All right, when you're tapping these holes, what you want to do is you want to give them a couple turns and then back it off, back and forth, loosen up the junk that's inside, and then your thread maker's clean again. Every couple of turns. So what are you doing now?
Gonna make the gasket.
The gasket à plat.
Oui.
Okay, so we got the gasket all cut out, and we're punching the holes through with another bolt. Hey, father, you want to be the cameraman? Okay, so I know the hole's right here, right? So what I'm gonna do is take my bolt, hold it ever so gently, take my multi-tool. Well, what the fuck? Oh. And pop a hole right through it. And then there you go. Alright, so my dad put some silicone on the gasket he made, because we don't want any salt to get in there and chew away at the hub some more.
It'll chew that's it, chews the hub itself, yeah. So,
Terrible.
like I say, I don't know why they use that kind of material. It shouldn't have been done. They should have known better. I'm sure, you know, me being a layman, they're smarter than me. But I guess we're just part of the sheeps. Okay, here we go. Ready to go. Okay, you want me to grab that?
Okay. Don't get silicone on screen. In case you'll be angry.
Get it, boy. Low battery. 20% of battery.
That's okay. I feel like I'm fucking Indiana Jones right now. One of them's gotta fit.
It's the inside spliner.
Oh. I think I went around already. What the fuck, Gus?
Too much silicone. There you go. Now, it's up.
Okay. New washer, trying to do bolts it. Okay. So now we're down to tightening them up.
Eve is calling.
Eve is calling?
What you doing?
Oh. Chevy Metal wants to know what the fuck's going on.
No, he just wants to know what's going on.
Well, that's what I said.
No, you said what the fuck's going on.
Oh, okay. My dad thinks I swear too much.
I think he does.
So, whatever you guys think about this project, or my swearing, please let me know. If I swear too much, you know, give me shit for it. It's okay. My dad won't mind. If I don't swear enough, please write a comment. Tell my dad to bug off. There. How much money do we save by switching to Geico?
About 180 bucks, just the way it was.
Versus buying the...
Well, we're gonna find out. Are they tight right through? I
Yep.
know that the bolts were pretty long. Okay, we'll let it sit. Beauty. All good. See, that'll squeeze inside there, and the what was pitted inside the silicone will take care of it, and it should take care of the vibration or anything like that, if there's any.
I'm just gonna rub the silicone all the way around. Make a nice little seal.
It'll hold. Yeah, let's see. After that, make a couple holes in this.
If it ever breaks again,
And that'll go right through,
That strap will hold it there.
and it'll hold the piece there. So that's $500 that you're gonna save in your pocket. That's it. I'm
Oh,
done.
I got girls texting me.
Oh.
So video's over.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hello. If you like that video, please rate it and subscribe. But if you're one of them thumbs down kind of guys, please post your name, your address, and your phone number in the comment section below. Because I'm going to go kick your ass. Subscribe.